Black lives matter! Black lives matter! Black lives matter!
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Can I have a buffalo chicken roller, please, sir?
Yeah, especially.
2 buffalo chicken rollers, one for Asian Andy and one for me.
It's time to kick gum and chew ass. and I'm all ass. Fucking dick kick him.
This guy moaned at least this loud. Oh!
So is it any wonder people are afraid of technology?
Technology! Scanning, control, manipulate scientific data, take over, blast, control, world government, shut down infrastructure, ship everything to China. Just look at this person.
What would happen if you were to bring a tiny piece of the sun to Earth? Short answer, you'd die. Long answer,
Oh shit! Oh Lord Jesus! Oh Jesus! Get the water, nigga! Jesus Christ! Lord have mercy! Get the water, nigga! It's going down! Ah,
Over 110 miles per hour. The storm reached land about 3 hours ago, and what? Wait a minute. There's a person surfing a huge wave out there. Oh. A person was.